Here's an old carrier round one. It's like at a daycare building or something. It looks like it got a new fan blade. This is the data sheet. 2-ton from it's from 81. February 1981. Yeah, this is a cool unit. Oh, there's an American Standard back there. That's an awkward install. Look at that. That's such an awkward install. But yeah, carrier round one beast. This is the second round one that I'm filming. Oh, and look at that. It's a heat pump. That is awesome. Oh yeah, 1981 2-ton carrier round one heat pump. Alright, it's running right now. That's cool. Look at this beast. It was probably turned on when we were filming units over there. See, that's awesome. He's still kicking in. That's awesome.